Confused by your drug coverage? You're not alone. Welcome to our guide on private drug insurance. We're here to clear up the confusion around your coverage and help you feel confident when making decisions about your health care. So, what exactly is private drug coverage? It's insurance that helps pay for prescription medications. You might have it through your job's benefits, a plan you bought yourself, or through a family member's coverage. You might run into some unfamiliar words when looking at your drug plan. Let's go over a few of the most common ones so they're easier to understand. Annual maximum. The most your insurance will pay for prescriptions in 1 year. After that, you'll need to pay the full cost until the plan resets next year. For example, let's say your plan pays up to $3,000 a year. After that, you cover the full cost. Lifetime maximum. The total amount your plan will pay while you're enrolled. It may apply to a specific drug, a group of drugs, or all prescriptions. Once you hit this limit, either in dollar amount or number of fills, your insurance won't cover those medications anymore. For example, let's say your plan covers $50,000 worth of a drug for life. After that, it's up to you to cover the cost. Copay. A set amount you pay for each prescription. For example, if your medication costs $100 and your copay is 10%, you'd pay $10. Deductible. The amount you pay out of pocket before your insurance starts helping. After that, your plan covers part of the cost, but you might still pay a copay, a fixed amount, or coinsurance, a percentage of the cost. For example, you pay the first $250, then your plan kicks in. Now, let's go over where to find important details about your plan. Most people get a prescription drug card, which includes your plan number and other key information. Keep this card somewhere safe. You'll need it when filling a prescription. You can also check your plan details by visiting your insurance company's website, using their mobile app, or calling customer service. Have your plan number ready. It helps them find your information faster. Not sure if your medication is covered? Check your plan documents or call your insurance company. They can give you a list of covered drugs and explain any limits or rules. Sometimes it's not easy to figure this out just by reading the paperwork. That's why it's always okay to call and ask. Some medications need extra paperwork before your insurance will cover them. This is called prior authorization or pre-approval. If you're not sure, ask your insurance company. Give them the drug identification number, DIN, and the dosage of your medication, and they'll let you know if a form is needed. Usually, your doctor fills out and sends in the form, but if a drug reimbursement navigator is part of your healthcare team, they can also guide you through the process and help make sure everything is submitted properly. If you're not sure whether you have a drug reimbursement navigator, ask your pharmacist, clinic, or care provider, and they'll point you in the right direction. If you're unsure what's covered or have questions about your drug plan, don't hesitate to call your insurance company. They're there to help you understand your benefits and guide you through the process so you can get the care you need. Private drug insurance doesn't have to be confusing. By understanding common terms, knowing where to find important information, and reaching out to your insurance company when needed, you can make sense of your coverage and access the medications you need. And remember, if you're ever unsure about anything, reach out to your insurance company. Your health and well-being are always worth it. Thanks for watching. We're always here to help you feel confident about your care.